Okay, so in the spring, I've decided I want to start growing some vegetables here. And it's almost spring, but what I want to do is get some starter little seedlings going. So what I did, I found on Amazon this. So what this is a little grow light. So you can check it out here. You can see this is the light here. And it comes with, you see it'll plug in there. And let me find all the pieces here. And it's got the strings, because I'm just gonna hang it just from a hook. But so this will be the little pieces to hang it, and it's got even straps to hook it up to the overhead, so you can adjust it and have it go down and up as the plants grow. And it comes with a power cord as well, and it looks like it's one of those kind of computer power cords. So that's pretty sweet. And let's just check it out. I'm gonna plug it in and see how bright this thing gets. So this is it here. Somewhere I have a power strip, but let me find it. So I'll tell you how bright this gets when I can figure out where to plug it. There's the plug. And let's see. Oops. Plug it. Okay, let's give this a go and see how bright it gets. Holy moly. Whoa. It's like I'm in the sun. I guess that's the idea of it. It's kind of really cool. It's got like colors and stuff with it too. So it's got different colors of brightness. You can see, well, you probably can't see, but there's a few different ones that are different colors. So it gets a few different of the light spectrum to make it work. And it's got some fans on the back to keep it cool. And I'll just have it face like this. And man, it'll probably keep it about a foot or, yes, 16 inches or so above the plants to grow it. I'm gonna give it a shot, and it was way better than I was thinking of getting like one of those kind of Aero Garden ones like that, but this will be way better because I can grow bigger stuff. That one's too small. So that's it, and that's the grow light.